Hi, hello, my name is Jonathan B. Lauron. I have something to tell about present perfect continuous tense related in English. When we talk about action in a sentence, we classify this according to the time in which they occur. These are three simple tense in English: the past, present, and future, but we will focus on a more complicated sense of time now. For action which started in the past and still continue in the present perfect tense is used. The present perfect tense is used to express the following. Number 1. Action just completed. Example, we have just finished our project. Action in the indefinite past. Example, my friends have already been to Baguio. Action that began in the past and which continues the present. Example, Miss Francisco has taught in this school for 10 years now. Mario has been studying for the exam since last week. Time expression used in the present perfect tense: recently, lately, already, yet, never, ever. Remember, the formula has have past participle of the main verb, present perfect tense, has, have, been, verb, ing, present perfect continuous. All my life I've been playing basketball. That's all. Thank you.